Workplace inspection is an integral part of the occupational health and safety program. There are two main types of safety inspections. Number one, formal, and number two, informal. But remember, both are necessary to upkeep and maintain the safety standards to keep the workforce safe, healthy, and productive, and to keep the workplace or the project free of frequent accidental situations. As you know, training series on the topic of site safety inspections is in progress. This is part 4. In the part 1, we have discussed about what does safety inspections mean and why it is conducted. In the part 2, we were talking about the benefits and the importance of site safety inspection and how frequent is it required. In the last training session, part 3 of safety inspections, we have highlighted what to look for and who should be the part of site safety inspection team. In today's training session, part 4, we will discuss the different types of safety inspections, how to categorize safety inspection in different stages, and we'll try to answer the questions of what, when, who, and how. This is very important session. How to plan and conduct a safety inspection efficiently and effectively. So, without wasting your precious time, let's get started. Dear friends and fellows, as I told you, there are two types of safety inspections, formal and informal. Let us look first what is the meaning of formal workplace safety inspection. Formal workplace safety inspections are about the collective team, workforce, and the management observing and understanding hazards and their associated risks in the workplace. Once these hazards are adequately identified, we can formulate controls to keep all of us safe. Second point to remember is formal inspections are regularly scheduled examinations. And number 3, in the formal safety inspection, a checklist is used to recognize, evaluate, and control the hazards. But in the case of informal inspections, these are daily inspections of personal work or individual work areas. They are conducted by members of the workplace daily. All employees are expected to maintain continual awareness of hazards in their work areas. Informal inspection is a practiced awareness which identifies potential hazards of the daily processes, conditions, and activities. Informal inspection is the part of daily routines such as supervisor's walkthrough, a worker's equipment check, or an operator's pre-use inspection of his plant, for example, crane, forklift, or a dump truck, etc. Remember, informal safety inspections are not regularly scheduled. And secondly, there is no use of a checklist. And findings are usually not documented in the case of informal inspections. But in the formal inspection, all the findings or observations shall be documented and submitted for corrective action with a time-bound strategy. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. We are talking about site safety inspections. This is part 4. If you are first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and colleagues, what is the purpose of workplace safety inspection? In short, to identify existing and potential hazards, to monitor effectiveness of hazard controls, to recommend corrective actions, to determine the underlying causes of hazards, to educate, increase awareness, and encourage communication regarding health and safety in the workplace, to listen to concerns of workers and their supervisory staff, and to meet legal and contractual requirements. By defining the purpose clearly, you can easily understand site safety inspection is not time wasting strategy. And definitely, once you are conducting site safety inspections regularly, there must be short term and long term benefits. Let us understand now what are the benefits of a workplace safety inspection program. Number one, to comply with legislation by practicing due diligence. Number two, improve housekeeping. Number three, reduce unsafe conditions, acts or practices. Number four, improve procedures and system effectiveness. Number five, determine opportunities for improvement. And number six, reduce accident frequencies. Remember, nothing is without purpose. And once there is a purpose, there must be a benefit. After discussing the types of site safety inspections, let us start now. What is the inspection process? Dear friends and colleagues, safety inspection process have four steps. Safety inspection process includes four main steps. Step number one, planning the inspection. Step number two, conducting the inspection. Step number three, completing the inspection report. And step number four, follow up and monitoring of corrective actions. We'll discuss each step one by one, but we'll start with step number one, planning the inspection. In the planning stage, we'll consider the aspects to examine. Dear friends and colleagues, a workplace is any land, premises, project site, a plant or equipment, a school, or anything at, upon, in, or near which a worker works. At the university, workplace can be labs, offices, shops, kitchens, mechanical rooms, and washrooms. So don't be confused. The workplace is only the construction site. The workplace is only the oil and gas industry. The workplace is only where heavy machinery is working. Even the schools, universities, and hospitals, different types and forms of workplaces, and the workers are working nearby. Safety inspection must include areas where no work is done regularly, such as office storage areas, etc. Every inspection planning must examine the where, what, who, when, and how. We'll try to understand each word with its specific meaning with regards to site safety inspection. Planning where to inspect. Dear friends and colleagues, determine where the inspection will take place. Obtain a floor plan and a list of relevant areas from your department or from the contractor who is engaged in operational activities. You must know what is the location of machinery, equipment, fire exits, hallways, chemical storage, etc. relevant to your department, a work area, and all these must be documented and you have to inspect. After understanding the first term, where to inspect, let us discuss now what to inspect. These are the common words, but Once you will categorize each single word, it's easier for you to go through each and everything. Dear friends and colleagues, it is very important to determine what will be inspected. Look at all workplace elements like environment. In the environment, you have to look for noise, vibration, lighting, temperature, and humidity, etc. In the equipment, you have to consider materials, tools, and operators. In the process, you have to understand how the worker interacts with the environment and equipment in a series of tasks or operations. Review equipment inventory to learn what equipment or machinery is present and their associated hazards. You have to check technical safety data sheets or manufacturer's safety manuals. You have to review chemical inventory to learn what chemicals are present and their associated hazards. Check SDS safety data sheet binder that is usually available at the worksite. Dear friends and fellows, we are talking about site safety inspections. This is part 4. At the moment we are discussing about the different 4 stages of safety inspection. This is stage 1, planning the site safety inspection. You have to determine who will conducting the inspection. Dear friends and fellows, workplace inspection team must consist of at least one worker representative and a departmental safety officer from the department or the area to be inspected. In addition, workplace inspection team may also consist of joint health and safety committee members, supervisors or technical specialists, project management staff, and are the member of top management. All members should receive training in workplace inspection, in recognition, evaluation, and control of hazards. All members should be familiar with the legislation, standards, codes of practices, safe system of work, and approved safe work procedures. In the planning stage of site safety inspection, to understand and determine when inspections would be conducted. Inform Health and Safety Department about your inspection schedule, which defines the specific area and date to be inspected. Ensure that the entire area within the department, within the project, the school, a university center is inspected at least annually, a portion to be inspected monthly. These questions in the planning stage, you have to clarify all confusions. There shall be no ambiguity. Site safety inspections can be carried out. For example, month 1 for offices, storage areas, and photocopy rooms. For month 2, floors, aisles, stairs, and landings. Month 3, labs. Month 4, all tools and equipment. Month 5, first aid stations, boxes, and the first aiders. Month 6, economic factors. Month 7, work practices and behavior. Month 8, hazardous materials. Month 9, workplace heavy machinery and their certifications. Month 10, review of documents, risk assessments, trainings, internal or external, construction safety management plan, or environmental management plan, etc. Month 11, maybe your schedule is to look for KPIs, key performance indicators, and the record of LTIs, lost time injuries. In the month 12, preparation of yearly reports and the departmental evaluation appraisal. Month 1 to 12, these all are just the examples. You have to schedule your site safety inspection program as per your nature of project, nature of activities, nature of hazards, and the category of risk. We have discussed about where to do, what to do, when to do, who will do. Now we are focusing on how to carry out site safety inspection, how safety inspections should be conducted, review workplace elements, environment, equipment, and process to determine if personal protective equipment is required during the inspection, review and develop an inspection checklist, obtain workplace inspection report form, review past accident incident reports, identify causes of accidents or incidents, check if recommended actions have been implemented or not. Without the answers of these questions, if you are on the work site, your site safety inspection shall never be complete, authentic, and 100% workable. Let us summarize, make a quick overview of Stage 1 Safety Inspection Program. You have to remember few important points. Point number 1, review workplace inspection policy and procedure. Point number 2, review and develop an inspection checklist. Point number 3, review previous inspection reports. Point number 4, review applicable legislative and contractual requirements. Point number 5, obtain floor plan and list of locations that belong to your department, to your workplace or the project. Point number 6, obtain workplace inspection report form. Point number 7, determine what area will be inspected. Point number 8, determine inspection schedule. Point number 9, determine who will conduct the inspection. Point number 10, determine what tools or equipment will be needed during the site safety inspection. And point number 11, get the materials such as lab coats, safety boots, or other personal protective equipment as per the nature of the project and the site operations. Here, the most important question is from where you can get this valuable information. You have to go through the workplace inspection guidelines, previous workplace inspection reports, training presentations, or you have to review and understand various checklists. Those are related to site safety inspections. To minimize the length of the video, I'm ending up the training session here. And the upcoming training session, part 5 of site safety inspections, I'll continue the different stages of site safety inspections as well as the principles of site safety inspections, how to write an inspection report, and how to follow up. But all these topics shall be discussed in the upcoming training sessions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with the part 5th of site safety inspections. Till then, take care, good luck, and Allah Hafiz.